Okay, then I'll start now. Hello, I am Jina Yu, and I'll be presenting your technical webinar today with the help of Olivia Lee. We would like to welcome you all to our webinar, which is focused on our UBio Xkey solutions. Today, we will explain what UBio Xkey solutions are like and how to use them correctly. Prior to the webinar, this technical webinar will be held every 3 months, and all webinar will be recorded and uploaded to YouTube at a later date. And you are welcomed to type in your question in the chat at any time with prepending your company name to the message as Olivia wrote in the chat right now. And if you have any questions that are difficult to answer right now, we will try to answer them by email or other methods as soon as possible. We hope by the end of the session, you will have a greater understanding about UBio Xkey solutions. These are the main points I would like to discuss today. This webinar will give you all the processes related to the UBio Xkey. You will understand the UBio Xkey concept and models that support UBio Xkey, as well as understand all the procedures for issuing and downloading a mobile card. And next, we will look at how to connect to UBio Alpeta and the administration page to use UBio Xkey solutions. And I'm going to cover some demonstration videos, and it's better to understand the card issuance and authentication way than live videos or screenshots. Finally, let me tell you about the Android and iOS settings that you should be careful about using UBio Xkey solutions. Now, Part 1, UBio Xkey solutions. UBio Xkey is a mobile access control solution that allows you to use your own mobile phone as a key to access barriers. With NFC or Bluetooth technology, it enables high cost efficiency of access control management of identification function access points that can definitely replace conventional physical RFID card. It is powered by NFC and Bluetooth technology with the app. Just install the UBio Xkey app on the mobile device. It enables users to open a door with your mobile phones. Before talking about UBio Xkey solutions, in order to use this, you must fill out an application form with the sales manager. You need the company name, country, the number of employee visitor cards you need, and the customer manager information to manage the UBio Xkey mobile card. Then you will receive these 3 pieces of information. The contract number and contract code are used when UBio Alpeta connects with the mobile card server. And the customer manager account is used to check the issuance status of mobile cards on the mobile card administration page. And please keep in mind that a mobile card server must be connected to one Alpeta server. We forbid connecting to one mobile card server in more than one Alpeta. So if you have to end customers who want to use UBio Xkey solutions, you have to ask 2 separate card requests. Next, let me briefly explain how to issue a mobile card. The administrator connects to UBio Alpeta and as a mobile card user. Mobile card issuance requires an end user's email and mobile phone number. And if you have a remaining card in your mobile card server, a card issuance request email will be sent to the end user. End users can download applications to their mobile phones and download cards. Once the card has been downloaded, Customer Manager can always check the end user's card information in both UBio as Alpeta and administration page. UBio Xkey solutions are supported on all UBio series, including the newly launched UBio X Face Premium and UBio X Face Premium FQR. However, this solution is only applicable to products in which the card module is produced in BLE type and may not be supported in the stock you have. So please check if the card module is BLE in the terminal information and consult with the sales manager if you need a new device. Next, I want to discuss the configuration to use UBio Xkey. How to connect mobile card server in UBio Alpeta and use administration page. First, you must connect with UBio Alpeta and the mobile card server. Before saying this, please remember that the UBio Xkey function is only supported by UBio Alpeta Premium version or Enterprise version. If your UBio Alpeta version is lower than Premium version, please contact the sales manager and request a higher licensed version to activate this. Because, as you know, UBio Alpeta licenses are managed by the sales team. Now, please go to the UBio Alpeta page, open the settings menu, and you will see the mobile card in the settings list. Please check the Enable Mobile Card option and enter the contract number and contract code you have. And you must do the connection test first. If this hasn't been tested, you can't verify that it's communicating normally with the mobile card server. If you check the success message, click the Apply button and the connection with UBio Alpeta is simply finished. Next, I will show you how to use the mobile card administration page. First, when you apply for a card request, the customer manager will soon receive an email stating that the ID issuance has been completed. Then, please log into the administration page using the ID and temporary password included in this email. When accessing the administration page, you must connect through the secure HTTPS path. Also, I would recommend you to change the password to what you want on My Page on the upper right to prevent login failures while using the temporary password. Now, I will explain some of the useful features on this page. First, on the main page, you can check the card issuance status of your site in a graph at a glance. You can check the card status daily, weekly, or monthly. Also, you can easily find out the number of Android and iOS users. The card list page is a useful page where you can find more information about all your cards. I have some privacy blinded. On this page, you can check the mobile phone number on which the card was issued, even if the OS of the mobile phone. If the user successfully downloaded the card to the mobile phone, the issuance status should be issued like a green box. If the user hasn't downloaded the card yet, the issuance status will be applied like a black box. You can tell who is using the card and who is not. But this site is used to check the status of each card, and direct card registration on this page is prohibited. Please be aware that all cards must be issued through UBio Alpeta. Right now, I'm going to change over to the demonstration area and show you some demonstration videos about card issuance process and card download process. Let me go over the first card issuance process for the administrator. This video will be individually uploaded to the technical support folder, and you can refer to them whenever you want.
সুজন ভাই
Yes, that's all for the card issuance status from the customer manager side. And now let's see how to download the card from the end user side. me?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Okay, that's all for the demonstration, and I'll upload these two videos to technical support folder, and you can always check these videos. Finally, I will explain some settings for Android and iOS to use UBio Xkey. First, in order to UBio Xkey, your phone must have Android 6.0 or later and support NFC. Any user permissions requested by the app must be allowed, and NFC mode should be standard mode in Android settings. This does not work properly is in UC mode or NFC mode. Also, mobile card work when the phone is in at least always on display mode. It does not work when the screen is completely off because of Android policy. Next, to use UBio Xkey on iOS, your phone must be iOS 6.0 or later and support BLE. Please allow Bluetooth and location rights in settings. The card service is terminated when the user forcefully closes the app or disables the Bluetooth function. And if you want to authenticate mobile card on always on display like Android, please turn on always mode in the upper right corner of the card. But please be aware that this may consume a bit more battery as it has to use BLE. Okay. This is the end of our technical webinar session today. This video has been recorded and we will send you a video link soon. We've done our best to answer your questions via chat. So if you have any questions that haven't been answered, we will check them out and answer them later, or feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Is it all?